Imagine you are holding a bow and arrow. You are ready to shoot. But suddenly, someone pushes you from behind. What do? Most people would turn around and get angry. They would drop their goal just to fight. And in that moment, you have already lost. You lost your focus, and you lost your peace. Have you ever felt that your emotions are controlling you? Someone says something mean, and you can't stop thinking about it for days. You are working hard, but your energy feels drained by other people's drama. If you are tired of being a puppet to the world, this story is for you. Today, we will learn how to protect your energy and stay calm in the storm. Welcome to the journey of Lucas and the Master of the Wind. Lucas was a young man with a big heart, but a very short temper. Every little problem felt like a personal attack. He was always in a fight. He traveled to the high peaks to meet Master Elian, the famous archer. "Master," Lucas said, "teach me how to be strong. I am tired of being hurt by others." The master smiled. He didn't give him a bow. He gave him a cup of hot tea. "Take this cup to the top of the cliff," Elian said. "But do not let it spill." Lucas thought it was easy, but as he walked, a group of students began to mock him. They called him weak. They insulted his family. Lucas felt the fire rising inside. He wanted to shout back. He wanted to throw the cup and fight. But he remembered the task. He stayed quiet and reached the top. Master Elian was waiting. "Did you hear what they said?" he asked. "Yes," Lucas snapped, "and it made me very angry." "Why did you let them do that?" The master looked at the tea. "The tea is still in the cup," he said gently. "When you focus on your task, their words are just noise, like the wind. If you had reacted, you would have dropped the cup. They would have won." Inner power is not about being loud. It is about being unshakable. The master then handed him a heavy bow. "Now," he said, "shoot at that red target." As Lucas aimed, the master began to throw small pebbles at him. One pebble hit his forehead. Lucas flinched and missed the target. "You missed," the master said, "because you reacted to a small stone. Your enemies will throw pebbles. Your past will throw pebbles. Life will throw pebbles. If you stop to cry every time you are hit, you will never reach your goal." Lucas took a deep breath. He closed his eyes for a second. He aimed again. This time, he didn't care about the master or the stones. The master threw a larger stone. It hit Lucas's arm, but he did not move. He released the string. Whoosh! The arrow hit the center of the target. "That," the master whispered, "is the power of a quiet mind. The world only has power over you if you give it your attention." Lucas returned to the village. He was the same man, but with a different spirit. When someone insulted him, he simply smiled and kept walking. He realized that his peace was his most valuable possession. He was finally the archer of his own mind. So, my friend, what is your red target today? Is it a career goal, a health goal, or just your happiness? Don't let the pebbles of life stop you from shooting your arrow. Remember, when you react, you give your power away to someone else. Stay silent, stay focused, and keep moving forward. Your silence is not weakness. It is your ultimate weapon. The world is loud, but you can choose to be the quiet observer. If you enjoyed this lesson from the high peaks, help us spread the light. We share these stories to build a community of unshakable minds. If you want to see the world through a clearer lens, you belong here. Subscribe to walk with us on the path of character and growth. Keep your focus and protect your flame.